Good morning, and I'm Poke Villalon, and today we're going to be making the best bacon, potato, and egg breakfast tacos. I'm here at my mom's this morning. We're going to cook her some breakfast for her and my dad, and I got a head start on y'all because this is very simple. If you take a look at the bacon, I just took about 8 strips of bacon and cut them up very small and put them in a pan to get going. And then I just diced a couple of potatoes, small potatoes, and just put some salt and pepper in there. And we're going to let this bacon get completely cooked, and then we'll go to the next step. The bacon is very crispy, not burnt, but very, very crispy. We're going to remove all the bacon and just put it in a small bowl. And the secret as to why these are the best breakfast tacos around is we're going to put the potatoes into the bacon grease. That's the difference in making great breakfast tacos. Is we're going to remove the bacon, we're going to put the potatoes in the bacon grease. Do not remove any of the bacon grease because you want to use as much of that for the flavor and fixing your potatoes, and then we'll come back when we throw everything back in the pot again. Your bacon is very crispy, and now that your potatoes are golden brown, now we will remove the majority of the oil. Do not take it all out because you still want to leave some of the flavoring for the eggs and the bacon. And then we will return the bacon. And then we're feeding 4 people for breakfast this morning. So I always like to use a ratio of 1.5 eggs for each person, which will make a good 2 tacos for each person. So we will be adding 6 eggs, removing this oil, and adding the bacon. And then we'll come back once it's all fixed and ready to go. And of course we'll be heating up tortillas over here. And now that your potatoes are golden, as you can see, our breakfast tacos are ready. It's eggs, potatoes with bacon, and we use the bacon grease for the majority of the cooking, which makes these outstanding. And we are heating up tortillas, and I do want to introduce this lady. This is my mother. I've done a ton of videos over time, and my cooking throughout my life was just from standing in this same kitchen watching her cook. So that's your best bacon, potato, and eggs tacos ever. And those came from her. So thank you very much. Hope you enjoy the video. Hit the subscribe button and click the like button also. So thank you very much. And as you can see,